don't just use Telegram but monetize it. Like, start earning with your Telegram. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a process of which you can actually start up a Telegram channel and also get to monetize it. Alright, so it is actually easy for anyone to get started with this process and get to achieve the aim of having a Telegram channel and getting to monetize it. And so, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're seeing this face for the first time, this is the voice of Joachim. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also show you things that can actually help you in the online space in today's world. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. So without no further ado, let's dive into today's business. So now you actually need 1,000 subscribers to get started on your Telegram channel and start earning. Now for you to start up with the Telegram channel is very simple. Once you launch your Telegram, come over to this hamburger icon right here, this particular section that looks like a pencil and a book. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you over to this interface. Click on new channel, then click on create new channel. You can come right here and put any name of any channel. So let's say goods and services right here. Let's say goods and services. So you click on next. All right, so you can see that you can either make your channel a private or a public channel. Now note that if your channel is actually private, you can't actually monetize and earn from it. So if you actually have the intention of earning through your Telegram channel, you just have to come right here and select the public, then come right here and put in anything as a link. You can come right here and say this as a link, or just put in anything that is acceptable. So the moment that is acceptable, come right here and click on next, then your channel is created. Now this is the first steps of you creating your Telegram channel. Now the moment you create your Telegram channel, the next thing you want to do right now is to make sure you have 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Now to get subscribers on your channel is very easy. What you just have to do is to run ads, or most times what you can actually do is to put valuable content on different platforms, be it Facebook, be it WhatsApp. Just make sure you have a link that are directing people to your Telegram channel. Now when you come right here, you can see that I have over 10 tones, which is the minimum withdrawal on your account. Now the moment you have 10 tones on your Telegram channel, you can go ahead to withdraw. Now the moment you come right here, you can also see that you can collect via fragment. Now when you come right here, you can actually see that I have made withdrawals on this particular channel. So once you have a total of 10 tones on your account, which is the minimum withdrawal, you can go ahead to withdraw from your account. So right here, I'm going to be withdrawing this, and I'm going to be showing you the process of which you can withdraw from your Telegram channel if you get monetized. Or after getting monetized, you have funds on your account. Now the moment you start posting relevant content on your channel, you will start getting people to join. Another thing is that you actually need to advertise your channel, because it is only well-known channel that gets relevant ads that are displayed on their channel. Now what you're supposed to do is to make sure your channel hits your 1,000 subscribers, and the next thing you need to do is to make sure you let people know about your channel. So once your channel is searchable, it allows people to join, and you can actually get more ads running on your channel. Now to place withdrawal is very simple. All you can actually do is to come right here. You can see that I've actually gotten over 10 tones on my account. So to withdraw, all I just need to do is to click on collect via fragment, and I'm going to be inserting my password right here and click on proceed. So the moment I insert my password, I'm going to click on proceed right here, and it's going to take me over to fragment.com. So from this place, you can directly withdraw everything to your Tone wallet. So what you just have to do is to come right here to use existing wallet, or you can come right here to change wallet. So I'm going to click on change wallet, then come right here and click on connect wallet. So right here, I'm going to select Tone Keeper because I want to withdraw via Tone, or you can come right here and view all. So you can also use via Bybit and connect your Bybit Tone wallet. So I'm going to come right here and select this particular one because I want to withdraw using my Tone Keeper. So I'm going to click on Tone Keeper right here, and I'm going to click on connect. So you can come right here and select the wallet you actually want to use for this. So let me say I'm actually using this particular one. I'm going to come right here and I'm going to click on connect. All right, and I'm going to enter my passcode. All right, so right now you can see that it has been connected successfully. So the next thing you want to do right now is very simple. Just come right here and click on collect this. So since you've connected your wallet, all you just need to do is to click on collect your 10 tones. Okay, so click on link wallet. So the moment you click on that, you can see wallet has been linked successfully. So click on continue. So you can see right here where it says 10.185 tones will be sent to your wallet. So this is your wallet. This action cannot be undone. Okay, are you sure you want to proceed? So click on collect wallet. So you can see right now that it's actually loading. So you'll be getting this straight to your Thone wallet. So when we head over to our Thone, you are going to be seeing this available balance on our Thone. So right here you can see reward collected 10.18 tones were successfully sent to your wallet. You can view your transaction on the blockchain. So let's head over to our Thone wallet and see if we have these funds on our Thone account. And so right now you can see this is my Thone balance, and this is the transaction I just did, which is the 10.18 tones, and I got $19.03 on my account. So when you tap this Thone, you are going to be seeing the full description of these funds that just entered my Thone wallet. You can see right here, received fragment, reward from Telegram channel. You can see that right here. So I just received these funds from my monetized Telegram channel. So this is to tell you that you can actually monetize your channel and start getting paid via your channel. So what you can actually do is to get your 1000 subscribers and make sure your channel is public and try to advertise your channel, put in valuable content, and you're going to be seeing the benefit of getting monetized on Telegram. However, Telegram monetization is actually one of the simplest you can start today, because if you say you should go over to YouTube monetization, you would need around 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. Now Telegram does not require you for any watch hour. All you just have to do is to have your 1000 subscribers and you're good to go. Your 1000 subscribers, and make sure your Telegram channel is public. So these are the two things you need. Now the other thing you'll be needing, which is the third thing, is for you to actually advertise your channel for people to join your channel. Now when you have valuable content on your channel, you will have multiple people on your channel, and you can as well tell friends and families, run ads, and also advertise your channel. Or you can actually talk about a particular niche you are into, and make sure you have a line, a call to action, then direct them to your Telegram channel. Now once people are finding your channel helpful and valuable, like valuable content are already posted in it, then they'll be forced to join your Telegram channel, and with that you are actually growing your community. Now the only thing that will actually stop you from not getting your channel monetized is when you are not consistent with what you're doing, because once you start growing from 1000 subscribers to 2000 subscribers to 3000 subscribers and the likes of it, that is when your revenue starts building up. Because if you don't post, you can't actually see ads on your channel. So the ads you're seeing that Telegram posts on your channel are ads that people have actually assigned to your channel. Now Telegram shares this with the advertisers 50-50. Any funds they have actually used for the advert on your channel, you are going to be getting 50%, and the advertiser also is going to be getting 50%. So on Telegram you can as well make a lot from your monetized channel. So what you can actually do today is to set up a Telegram channel and give it a particular niche, focus on a particular niche, then start promoting your channel and getting people to be involved. With this, you are going to hit your 1000 subscribers in less than a week. And once you have your 1000 subscribers, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you have your promotion running so people can actually join and you can start benefiting from your Telegram channel. Now this is the simplest way you can start earning online without any investment or anything at all. All you just have to do is to focus and be consistent with your daily plans as a Telegram owner, as you actually want to build your community online. This is all you have to know about getting your Telegram channel monetized and also withdrawing on your Telegram channel via fragments like what I just showed you. Okay, so in less than a month you will see the amount of earnings that will be coming over to your Telegram channel. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings journeys in today's world. And so see you on my next video, and keep winning.